Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new free emotes in new event in Heartopia. So in this new event, Dreamlight Cinematic event, you can get free emotes, new free emotes that called past soundtrack like this. And then to get this emote, you just need to pop the bubble that located at the art street. This area. More precisely, you can find it at the piano square, this area, these locations. And then in here you can just see that there are bubbles floating above the piano like this, and then next just simply pops it like this. Just pops it like this, and then when you successfully pops it, you will get the new emote like this, the best soundtrack emotes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.